Hey Aphrodisiacs, it's me Khadijah. So if you're new to my channel, then please hit that subscribe button, and if you're already subscribed, then welcome back. Okay guys, so today's video I'm super excited because I'm going to be sharing with you guys my favorite anti-humidity twisting and braiding creams for the summer. So I don't know if you guys remember, if you're subscribed you probably do, but I did a series dedicated to winter natural hair care, sharing my tips and tricks and favorite products to combat the drier weather. So I'm going to do one similar for the summertime, give you guys my tips and tricks and favorite products. Before we get into this video though, I do want to say, if you're new to my channel, welcome. I have high porosity hair, so my hair shrinks up a lot any season, but definitely during the summertime because there's like a lot of moisture in the air. So these twisting and braiding creams are good for any porosity, but they're very good for high porosity hair because that's the type of hair that I have. First, I'm going to start out with my absolute favorite twisting cream. That is the Carol's Daughter Marguerite's Magic Restorative Cream. This is a very thick, like buttery cream. I call it a buttercream because it feels kind of buttery. This is like my go-to. I have product on my finger, let me just put that back. It gives me really nice definition, moisture, shine, and hold. This particular cream is awesome because it has beeswax, so that's going to help with hold and longevity, and it also does not have any humectants, so it's humectant free. It won't cause excessive shrinkage or a lot of frizz like that. You know, you're still going to have some shrinkage because that's just natural hair and humidity, but it is going to control it a little bit. So the next cream is the Mielle Pomegranate Honey Twisting Souffle, and this is actually in my hair today. It's a really nice cream. I use this for a twist out, did a video. I used it for a wash and go, did a video. I love it for stretched hairstyles, and this was my first time using it for a braid out. Stay tuned, I'm gonna have a braid out tutorial. This product is a thick cream. My hair laughs at light cream, so all of these creams, you guys, will be thick. It smells so good, you guys. Oh my goodness, like pomegranate. The only downside with this is that you're probably going to attract a lot of bugs because your hair is going to smell so sweet and good. This is bomb for moisture. It's bomb for curl definition. Great for hold. Now this is glycerin free, but it has honey. However, the honey is at the very bottom of the ingredients list. I feel like you can use humectants in your creams during the summertime, but maybe try to look for them towards the middle or end of the ingredients list. Not at the top, okay? But towards the middle or the end. The next cream, I am kind of still playing around with this. I've tried it a few times and I like it. But this is Melanin Twist Elongating Style Cream by Natural 85. The consistency is thick, kind of like a buttercream, but it feels more on like the wet side, like a wet cream, but then kind of like a buttercream. I don't know, it has an interesting texture. This is moisturizing, but not the most moisturizing out of all these creams. I will say that the other ones are a bit more moisturizing. When I did a video using this product showing my results throughout the week, my hair did stay pretty defined. I believe I showed up to day 5. It did a pretty good job at holding up. This product does have glycerin, you guys, and it's towards the middle of the ingredients list, but it only has that one humectant. You'll have a good chance at longevity and avoiding excessive frizz. But this one is actually in Old Fave. This was like holy grail. Like, this was before Carol's Daughter, okay? So this one came first. This was like the original fave, and then this one kind of took its place. But this product is still really good, one of my favorites. I don't feel like it works as well as it used to. Ever since I went on the curly girl method, I feel like that kind of turned my hair away from this because it worked fine before the curly girl method. I just wanted to try that method out, see how it would work. By the way, I don't recommend it for high porosity hair. But yeah, when I got off the curly girl method and went to use this again, it was just never the same. My hair just didn't respond as well as it used to. I mean, it still works. I'll use it. If your hair is like new to this, then I would definitely recommend you try it out. They describe it as a rich, dense, shea-based moisture cream. This is also a buttercream, so it looks really nice and creamy, but it's like thick and it has like that buttery consistency. It has beeswax just like this one. It's just very nice, thick, moisturizing, but it does have glycerin, and it also has honey. So those ingredients are at the end of the ingredients list, but since there's 2 humectants, you just kind of want to be careful. I would definitely recommend that you use a humectant free leave-in conditioner. My absolute favorite leave-in conditioner is the Kinky Curly Not Today. If you guys watch my videos, I mean, I don't even have to say more. You guys already know how I feel about this stuff. I love this leave-in conditioner, especially in the summertime, because I know due to it being humectant free, it's gonna kind of give some control and I'm not gonna have as much shrinkage and as much frizz. I feel like if you're gonna style your hair and like do a really nice defined puff or updo, then you can use this product. It would work really well. So that is it for this video. I hope that it was extremely helpful. I'm gonna have more videos like this coming up really soon. If you guys have any like suggestions of what kind of videos you want to see within this summer natural hair care series, then definitely let me know down below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below, let me know what your favorite anti-humidity twisting or braiding creams are for the summertime. Feel free to share this video and of course subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one. Bye guys.